Welcome to One Lisa Show. Today I am sharing my latest Minerva haul with you. So I placed an order on minerva.com. They had a great sale about a week and a half ago, and it was shipped, and there were 3 packages that were shipped. Shipping is free if you're to the US if your order is 50 pounds or more, and Minerva is based in the UK, so it's very simple. You put in your credit card and it does the conversion for you. I really enjoy ordering from Minerva. I like getting the packages. The downside is there's no tracking number. It is shipped overseas and through the Royal Mail and arrives here through USPS. So my first package came. I'm going to open it up. It sounds like all the hardware I ordered. So I ordered some snaps and buttons, and it sounds like that is what I have. And that is exactly what I have. I ordered some jeans buttons. They're very cheap on Minerva's website. I got assorted black and white buttons. These were like £1.25 or something like that. They were very cheap, but you get 125 buttons, various sizes. I also got some anorak or jacket snaps with the tool. That was the noise I was hearing. And then for my shirt dress that I'm working on, Simplicity 8014, I have a purple dress and I wanted to try my hand at snaps for that. So I bought those jacket snaps just in case, but Prim on Minerva you can buy plastic color snaps. So I got 2 different kinds, 2 different purples. One I think was lavender and one was lilac, if I remember right, and I wanted to match them up. I have a feeling this is the one that's going to look better with the dress, but actually this one would match too. So I'm going to see which one that I like better, and I'm going to attempt to finish my shirt dress. I have 2 more packages coming, and when they arrive, I will continue the video. Thanks all. This Minerva bag had just 2 fabrics. So I have 2 meters of a brown viscose jersey, and it feels good. This is, I might work on this weekend actually. This is nice. Plenty to make. I got a couple things in mind. I could make a nice dress with that. And then the next item that's in the bag is my Vegas dress fabric. So this was on sale. It is 6 meters of polyester georgette. So I'm going to show you. And it has a lovely drape, and there's 6 meters, and I really don't want to unfold it all. Let me see if I can get a little bit of it folded. Just absolutely gorgeous. It's a nice big print, so I think it'd be perfect for a nice big dress. I haven't really made anything with georgette. It does have a little sheerness to it. I'm going to open it up. I'm going to regret opening it because it's a lot of fabric. I've never bought so much dress fabric from one piece. But as you can see, it is sheer. So I don't know if I'm going to have to line it. But the dress, I grabbed the pattern. Simplicity 8013. It is a 1970s vintage pattern. And I want the long version, this one here. But I know it will be shorter on me. So I think I'll probably be able to take a foot off at least. But it looks like, I have to see if this is, let me give you the line drawing on the back. Georgette was one of the fabrics that was mentioned on here. However, oh, it does have lining. I'm going to have to line this dress. It's just that simple. Lining and I don't get along so well, but look at that. If I'm going to be in Vegas one day with this on, these big, gorgeous florals on this denim blue fabric, maybe I'll get a dark lining, and that'll be my next treat so I can complete this. It's muted. It's not as bright and vivid of colors that I originally wanted for that dress, but it is intricate design and the colors are still gorgeous. So I think when I saw it and it was on sale, I couldn't pass it up. I'm very happy with it. I have one more package from Minerva coming, so you'll see me again in another outfit. Hi, day 3 of my Minerva haul. This has 2 fabrics I purchased and then a 5-meter summer fabric grab bag that was on sale. Regular price I think was $9.99 for the 5 meters of remnants basically. So I'm excited to see what's in this bag. Cool. So first up is a black and white floral challis. Nice drape. I got 2.5 meters of this. I already know what I got. I don't have to look at the tag. Very true to color. It is a very drapey, it is a thin woven challis. I will probably line whatever I make with this. And I got 1 meter of a silky knit ITY in neon pink, so I can make my nieces something with it. It's actually has a little bit more of a coral tint. I'm looking at the screen, and it is a little more, just a smudge of coral, and you will have this neon pink silky knit ITY. Now, it was a silky knit, but it doesn't feel like it's as silky as my past silky knits that I've bought. So it might have been a different manufacturer. Either way, if I make them each leggings out of this, they're going to rock them. And I got a whole meter. So for 7 and 9-year-old leggings, this is going to be plenty. And here is my 5-meter summer remnant grab bag. I was really looking forward to this. So looking forward to this. Their grab bags are, so this was a 5-meter grab bag. The smallest piece, it could be any number of pieces, but the total amount would be 5 meters. The smallest amount you could get of one piece would be a 1/2 meter, but it could be one piece of fabric with 5 meters long, or it could be 10 pieces at a 1/2 meter each. Just so the total cumulative amount is 5 meters, and the smallest piece is going to be a 1/2. And last time I think I got 6 pieces of fabric from it, and I don't remember which one of the grab bags I did, but this one was summer, and I was hoping to get some prints and some colors, bright colors. And there is always something I can do with even a 1/2 meter. So first one is, it feels like just a woven, kind of like a sheeting fabric or cotton poplin. And it's pink, floral, and it's got little punches of green, this is one of my favorite color combinations. I don't have many clothes in it, and it looks like it is about a 1/2 meter. A little more than a 1/2 meter. I might be able to pull off like a tank top or something with this. Oh, definitely I could get a pair of shorts, a pair of jammy shorts. Oh, wow. So I would not call all of these summer. I should take my glasses off. This one definitely is, and it's pretty. It's like a embroidered gingham, and it's a turquoise, and I love gingham. There are some things I love. I love gingham, and I love flannel. This seems to be about a meter. Could this be now I don't know too much about fabrics, but almost like a seersucker. It's a gingham, but it's embroidered with a floral pattern. I'm going to try to get close so you can see that floral pattern. You guys tell me if you think this is something special. So it's one way, obviously. It's a one-way fabric. It's cute. I might get something out of that too. This next one feels like it looks like a knit, but with no stretch, and it kind of feels like a fake suede, and this is only a 1/2 meter. It's a dark plum, brownish plum color. There we go. That, now you can see it. Now you can see it as the light shines in. Ah! Another plum color, so maybe those two can go together with something. I don't know, maybe Barbie clothes. This is another meter. Maybe I'll work those two together. And this next one is very earth tones. Looks like it's just stripes. Yeah, this is definitely more 2 meters, it looks like, of some browns and caramel colors. And it's another woven. This one, I don't know. It's not my, my face is very red today. Yeah, it's definitely over. I have 2 meters of it. I don't know if this is something my sister would like. She is into earth tones. I think that would, it's thin. It's got a good drape. I think it could make a nice blouse. But I don't wear a lot of browns. That's it. That's my Minerva haul. I'm okay. I'm happy with it. I really, really love the Georgette fabric for my Vegas dress. I'm still looking at it right now. I love it. It is got some gorgeous colors through it, and they're very, they're not vibrant, but they're saturated, and that's, I think, what is so drawing for me to it. And it has a very 70s kind of vibe. So I'm very excited. That's it for me. That was my 3 bags mini Minerva haul. All of those fabrics and snaps and fasteners, when it was all said and done with the conversion rate, I think it was about $76. So free shipping with the conversion rate, I think I paid about $76 all in. And I think I got a good deal, especially considering one piece of fabric, that double Georgette, for my Vegas dress was 6 meters. So in my mind, I feel I did really good to get all of that stuff, the snaps, all the fasteners that I ordered, and the beautiful brown viscose jersey. Even though I'm not into browns, a solid brown shirt I'll wear, but something that's a little bit more like, this is just not all me. But like I said, I think I have a sister that would love a blouse out of this. Yeah. Or maybe pajamas. Or maybe pajama pants for my boyfriend. See, my mind is going. Thanks for watching. Please click on the like button and consider subscribing if you haven't already done so. I appreciate everybody that watches, comments, and likes my videos. Thank you so much. This has been a lot of fun this past year, and I look forward to bringing you more and showing you my makes in the future. Have a great night. Thank you.